Hello, welcome to the brand new section about Groovy programming. In this section we'll start with the installation of the Groovy Eclipse plugin. We'll learn about Apache Ivy, an IVDE plugin for Eclipse. We'll also create and configure the Groovy project and work with the Java database connectivity, JDBC. Finally, we'll generate XML using Markup Builder and learn about the VertX microservice platform. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with installing the Groovy Eclipse plugin. In this video, we'll install the Groovy Eclipse plugin and set it up for using it in later videos. We'll start with installing the Groovy Eclipse plugin. Groovy Eclipse, the plugin that adds Groovy support to Eclipse IDE, is on the Eclipse Marketplace, but at the time of recording this, that version was really out of date. We'll therefore install the plugin manually from the Groovy Eclipse team's own server. Visit the project's GitHub page to find the correct download link. Find the version of Eclipse IDE that you're running by choosing Help, About from its menu bar. Then, in the GitHub page, scroll down to the Releases section and look for a released version. If there's no stable release for your version of Eclipse IDE, then find the Snapshot Builds section and look there for your installed Eclipse IDE version. I will copy this link from here. To install your chosen version in Eclipse IDE, copy the release update site URL of the corresponding version from the GitHub page to the clipboard. In Eclipse IDE, choose Help and go to Install New Software. On the Available Software dialog, click the Add button next to the Work with text field. Enter Groovy Eclipse as a name and paste the URL in the location field. Click on OK. The Available Software dialog now displays the found packages. Check the Groovy Eclipse option and click the Next button. You may see a dialog warning that the selection was modified. It added Groovy compilers to the selection. Acknowledge that this is OK by pressing Next. Also, accept the license if you agree with its terms. Click Finish to install the plugin. When the Eclipse IDE asks to restart, choose Restart Now. We'll now switch to Java perspective. The Groovy Eclipse plugin does not add a dedicated Groovy perspective to Eclipse IDE's user interface. Instead, like Clojure's counterclockwise plugin, it uses the normal Java perspective. On the toolbar on the upper right-hand side of the screen, click the Java Perspective button. Alternatively, find the button with the Open Perspective tooltip and choose the Java Default option. Done! Our Groovy plugin is installed.